The general has moved from let the people decide to there will be bloodshed. That is not a rhetoric shift. That is a diagnostic. Nzana bina mashuko budanyi kwa pangwa ine. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tina mna mobile kwa mchenzi. Chiwenga began with the constitution, referendum, due process. Let the people speak. That was the language of a man who believed the matrix could still hold. That the settlement of 2017 could still be honored. That the court still bound those who had sworn to uphold it. He has now moved to a darker vocabulary: conflict, wrong direction, bloodshed. This is a warning delivered by a man who has concluded that the constitutional path has been sealed shut. The state capture cabal should reflect very carefully on what it has just been told. The vice president is not a politician in the conventional sense. He's a Liberation War veteran, a former commander of the Defense Forces, a stakeholder who led the operation that delivered this regime into existence, a man who is now stated publicly and on the record that the road Mnangagwa is walking leads to bloodshed. For months, the cabal has imagined itself engaged in a political contest. It has deployed fortuners. It has purchased legislators. It has rigged valuations. It has manufactured consent. It has mistaken all of this for power. But the vice president has just reminded them what power actually looks like when it is forced to review itself. It does not ride in a fortuner. It does not travel in an envelope. It does not depend on the arithmetic of a whipped caucus. It is older than the cabal, harder than the cabal. It speaks in a voice that has been bloodshed before and is not afraid to name it when it gathers again. The bell has been rung. The warning has been delivered. TikTok. Thomas Kanubdanyo Kopangwa ine. Since Iowa, Murisa, Zimbabwe, you must be encouraged to be against these constitutional amendments just because the path which is being led by the Suganandas, it will lead to bloodshed. Pida comment section menos of kura in murkulipa msulubu jitko ish. Na comment section menos subscribe or like, chat on the bell.